Day is Memorial Day.
Really? Well, what are we going to do to celebrate Memorial Day?
Well, to celebrate Memorial Day this year, we are going to make some Memorial Day cookies.
Oh boy! Memorial Day cookies! That sounds delicious!
I agree. It will taste yummy. We got all the ingredients for the Memorial Day cookies all set up in the kitchen. So, let's get started.
Oh, one more thing. If you leave the Memorial Day cookies in the oven too long and burn the Memorial Day cookies, you will be grounded. Understand?
Yes, I understand, Ma, Dad, and Offstein.
Good. Now let's head downstairs to the kitchen and get started. All right, Dodo Bird. Time to put our Memorial Day cookies in the oven for a while, and then we will decorate them with blue small square with white stars on top of them. And then we will put red and white rectangles for the stripes on the Memorial Day cookies.
All right, ready when you are.
Okay, Dodo Bird. Let's put the Memorial Day cookies in the oven for at least 30 minutes, and then we will decorate them a little later.
Okay.
Good work, Dodo Bird. Now we will set the timer to 30 minutes, and then we will decorate the cookies. While we wait for 30 minutes, my parents and I are gonna watch some TV. You can go to your room and find something to do for yourself.
Oh, and don't burn the Memorial Day cookies, or you will be grounded. Okay?
Yes, Ma, Dad, and Offstein.
Good for you, Dodo Bird.
Now that I've got the Memorial Day cookies in the oven, I'm going to watch all episodes of Welcome to Plantville from Max on my TV for a while.
100 minutes later.
Sniff, sniff. Whoa. I think I smell something burning. I better go see what it is. Oh my god. The oven is on fire, which means I burned the Memorial Day cookies, and I'm going to get grounded.
What was that? Did I just hear you say that the oven is on fire? Oh my goodness. The oven is on fire. Oh gods. The Memorial Day cookies are ruined. Dodo Bird. I can't believe you burned the Memorial Day cookies. You were supposed to get them out of the oven over an hour ago. Thanks a lot, Dodo Bird. Now the Memorial Day cookies are burnt and we can't have any Memorial Day cookies this year.
But Austin, I was watching all episodes of Welcome to Plantville on Max on my TV the whole time.
What's going on, son? How are the Memorial Day cookies coming along?
Dodo Bird burned the Memorial Day cookies. He left them in the oven for too long. He was supposed to get them Memorial Day cookies out of the oven over an hour ago. And now the Memorial Day cookies are ruined thanks to him.
Oh my god. Dodo Bird. I can't believe you burned the Memorial Day cookies and ruined everything. We spent $50 on those cookies. And thanks to you, our Memorial Day is now ruined, and we can't have any Memorial Day cookies this year.
That's it. You are grounded until Father's Day.
Now go upstairs to your room and be ashamed of yourself.
Thank